Panigale V4 2025 in for the OZ wheels upgrade. Total weight reduction is 2.6 kilograms. Hindi lang weight ang ano dito. Ang special. Yung special dito yung looks, oh. Dang. Pero for sure handling nito maganda. Matched with the ER7 DID racing chain. 520 pitch. 520 pero rated for 1000cc. With the Sita Ergel aluminum rear sprockets. Nice. Gwapo ng bagong G7. Lalo na pag naka-undertail. Keyless tooling. Available na for order. Maganda sa keyless tooling pwede may lagay sa stock. Pwedeng mas mababa sa stock. Pwedeng mas mataas. Yan ang special sa keyless. Pwede na mag-order sa JYP. 3 to 7 days ETA lang. So if you need it, just hit us up. And yeah, let's get it ordered. Thank you.